A piece of American history made a stop in Clinton this afternoon. A Vietnam-era Sikorsky helicopter made in the 1960s flew in the Amvets Club at 4 this afternoon. It's on its way from Oklahoma to an air show in Wisconsin. Community members were able to get up close to the restored chopper and get a tour. Organizers are also able to talk about the significance the helicopter played during the Vietnam War.
One of the satisfactions I get of having been a crew chief on a helicopter, a sister to this helicopter, is knowing that we were able to bring some of the boys back.
Wow, this is one of the first stops in about 7 years for this helicopter. Organizers hope to keep showing it off at air shows across the country and showcasing its history.